Let's move on to the question number 5 in exercise 1.1. It's been asked us to show that one and only one out of n plus 2, n plus 4 is divisible by 3 where n is a positive integer. This we have to prove using Euclid's division lemma. So here the positive integer is given. Positive integer is equals to how much n they have given. So as per Euclid's division lemma, we know a is equals to bq plus r. Here n is equals to bq plus r. Here I told you that b, whatever the value of b, we have to derive from the question itself. So when you, for suppose here a is the dividend, b is the divisor, q is the quotient and r is the remainder, right? So here a is divisible by b implies b is the divisor, right? Here applying the same, this same has to be applied in the question also. Is divisible by 3 implies 3 is the divisor. Okay, a is something is divisible by b means b is the divisor. Okay, in the same case applying the same thing into the question, is divisible by 3 implies b is 3 here. Okay, comma b equals to 3. Okay, and we know that 0 can be either 0 or it lies in between 0 and b. What is b here? B is 3. So apply b here. So n equals to 3q plus r comma or equals to how much? 0, 1 and 2. Okay, so in the case 1, let's check in each and every case of or equals to 0, 1 and 2 to prove that out of the 3 cases like n plus 2 and n plus 4, only one is divisible by 3, either n or n plus 2 or n plus 4. Okay, in the case 1 of or equals to 0, or n is equals to 3q plus r, how much you'll get? 3q plus 0. N is equals to how much? 3q. So n is equals to 3q is divisible by 3. Okay, because something in the multiples of 3 is always divisible by 3. Any number in the multiples of the same number is divisible by that number. Okay, 3 into q, it implies this number is divisible by 3. And for n plus 2, we have to check the possibility of n plus 2 because they have asked us to check in the case of n plus 2 and n plus 4. For n plus 2, what we have to do means, for this we have to add 2 on both the sides, like n plus 2 equals to 3q plus 2. Okay, here the remainder is not 0. It implies that this is not divisible by 3. That it is not divisible by 3 because the remainder is not 0. Hence n plus 2 is not divisible by 3. Let's move on to n plus 4. N plus 4 here. N plus 4 equals to 3q plus 4. Here also the remainder is not 0. Hence this is n plus 4 is also not divisible by 3. But n is equals to 3q is divisible by 3. Let's move on to the case 2 of or equals to 1. How much? N is equals to 3q plus 1. So here the remainder is 1. Hence it is not divisible by 3. Let's move on to the case 2. In the case 2 itself, second one, n plus 2. So adding 2 on both the sides for the above equation, 3q plus 1 plus 2. How much you'll get? 3q plus 3. So I am taking common of 3. 3 into q plus 1. Let me assume it as, I am assuming this as p. Any variable you can consider. So I am considering it as p. So n plus 2 is equals to 3p. 3p implies the remainder will be 0. Okay, the remainder will be 0. Here also 3q plus 0. You can write it 0, no? Here the remainder is 0. Here also the remainder is 0. Hence n plus 2, in the second case of or equals to 1, n plus 2 is divisible by 3. Okay. And in the case of n plus 4, for this add 4 on both the sides. 3q plus 1 plus 4. You will get how much? 3q plus 5. Here the remainder is 5. Hence n plus 4 is not divisible by 3 in the case of or equals to 1. So let's move on to the case 3 of or equals to 2. The case of or equals to 2, n is equals to 3q plus 2. Because the remainder in the case 2 we are applying in the remainder place. So here the remainder is not 0. Hence n is not divisible by 3. So adding 2 on both sides to check the value of n plus 2. 3q plus 2, 3q plus 2 plus 2. Okay. adding 2 on both the sides. This and this we have added for the above equation. We'll get how much? 3q plus 4. N plus 2 is equals to 3q plus 4. Here the remainder is not 0. Hence n plus 2 is also not divisible by 3. Let's move on to the n plus 4. For this equation we have to add 4 on the both sides. 3q plus 2 plus 4. How much you'll get? 3q plus 6. So I am taking common of 3. You'll get 3q plus 2. Here I am assuming this as p. This as p. Then it becomes 3p plus 0. So it becomes 3p plus 0. So n plus 4 is equals to 3p plus 0. If the remainder is 0, hence n plus 4 is, in the case of or equals to 2, n plus 4 is divisible by 3. So here, understood, this is the 3 cases. In the case of or equals to 0, n is divisible by 3. In the case of or equals to 1, n plus 2 is divisible by 3. In the case of or equals to 2, n plus 4 is divisible by 3. So in the question it's mentioned that only 1 has to be divisible. So hence it is proved. So this is the solution. In case you like the video, do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.